Hi guys, how are you? I have your case. So today we are going to work on your phonics book on page 99 to page 102. Okay, we're going to start with the page 99 as you see here, right? Page 99. So the instruction says Cub has a short sound U. Okay, we are looking for the short sound U. Okay. Ooh. Ooh. In this case, remember, is the short sound. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, as in Spanish. Okay, so but we're gonna start with the exercises. In here, what you have to do here, okay, it says circle each picture whose name has the short sound U. Okay, I'm going to say all the names of each picture here, and you are going to identify which of this picture has the short sound. Okay, book, back, coop, goon, sun, bus, meat, roof, drum, tube, newt, week. Okay, so the week is this one. Okay, not this, is this. So in here we say book. Does book have the short U sound? The short U sound? Yes, book. Okay, that's it, and then we are going to circle. Okay, the number two, back. Does back has the short U sound? No, and then we are not going to circle. So the number three, cup. Does cup have the short U sound? So of course yes. Then we are going to circle the word cup. So the number four, gum. Gum. Of course it has the short U sound. Okay, and then we are going to circle. So the number 5 to the number 12, you are going to do it by yourself. Okay, so we are going to continue with the next page. Okay, what you have to do here? What you have to do here? Okay, we are going to choose another color. In here, you have to identify which of this picture finish with the same sound. Okay, and words or the picture that finish with the same sound you have to circle. Okay, so we have here, we have bat, can. So these words, it doesn't rhyme, ellos no riman para nada. Okay, could, you have the word could here, and hood, could. Okay, could, you have could and hood. Okay, hood, let me write here, hood. So what you have to do here, could finish with U and T, and hood finish with U and T. Okay, so remember that is the letter, the short U, right? U, U, T, T. And then I am going to color. Okay, color. So the number two says hook, abrazo, hook. Book, do you remember the first page? We work with this, and this is a rook. Hook, book, and rook, and pig. Pig doesn't belong to these three, and then the three we are going to color, because the three rhymes. Okay, so on the number three we have a goon, we have a ham, we have swing, and we have drum. So does this word, these two words, do these two words rhyme with this? No, right? And then we are not going to color this. We are going to color drum because finish with u and goon that finish with u and too. So and the number four, I'm not going to do it. You are going to do it by yourself. Only I'm going to tell you the name of each picture. Okay, coop, tube, beep. Okay, this is a can, fan, pin, rune, soon. Okay, so at home, do it by yourself. So now we are going to do the page 101. So this is very easy. So it says, say the name of each picture, circle its name. So soon, I am going to circle the correct name. What is this? Is this Gust, Much, or Gum? Of course it's Gum, right? Then I'm going to circle. So what is this? It is Kut, Cap, or Coop. It's Coop. Very good. So the next one, the number 4. This is a boom. This is a boost, or this is a soon, because the soon we have here, and then that's mean this is a boost, right? So in this one you are going to do it by yourself, okay? So in this one is a cup. So now we are going to work on the next page, okay, the last one. In here you have to help that cube. This is a cube, okay, this is a cube. This is a cube to get home, so to get here, okay, tienen que ayudar al cachorro a llegar donde está su madre. Okay, in here you have a trace line, only the words that had the short U sound. Okay, font, let's continue, font. Okay, is here or here? This word says dog, it had a short A, and this is a cat, and we are looking for the U or U. Okay, and then we are going to continue like that. Hook, nut, and we have 2 pads here. What is the correct one? This one or this? Thinking. Ah, okay, is this. Okay, and we got home. So here, use some of the short U words from the puzzle to write sentence. Okay, here you have to write a sentence. For example, run is fun. Correr es divertido. Okay, only using the short U sound. For example, here. Okay, run is fun. Run is fun. Okay, run is fun. I have a sentence. Ya hice una oración. Run is fun. Correr es divertido. Okay, that's it. So we're going to stop here. Practice at home. Okay, so very good. You have done an excellent job.